If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, OBS Studio can use the NVIDIA NVENC encoder to handle video encoding with your GPU instead of putting most of the workload on your CPU. First, open OBS Studio and click Settings. Go to the Output section and change the output mode to Advanced. If you're streaming, open the Streaming tab. If you're recording, open the Recording tab. Look for the encoder option and select NVIDIA NVENC if it is available. Next, choose your output resolution and frame rate in the video settings. For full HD content, 1920 by 1080 is a common choice. You can use 60 FPS for smooth gameplay if your system can handle it. Now return to the NVENC settings and choose an appropriate quality preset. Higher quality presets can require more GPU resources, so choose a setting that your computer can handle without affecting your game or other applications. For recording, you can use a quality-based setting rather than relying only on a fixed bitrate. For streaming, use a bitrate that matches your platform and internet connection. Hardware encoding can help reduce CPU usage, but your GPU still needs enough available resources. If you're gaming and streaming at the same time, avoid completely maxing out your GPU. Start a short test recording or stream and open the OBS stats window. Check for rendering lag, encoding overload, or dropped frames. If everything is stable, you can use NVENC for your regular OBS Studio recordings and streams.